Hi, today I unboxed this product provided by OctoCurl. I have quickly put it in my hair and I'm going to let it set and I'm going to heat set it. I'll take it out, I'll show you the results, and then I'll show you the product up close. Let's go. Okay, and here we are. I just ran my fingers through it a little bit. I want you to see those pretty loose wavy curls here. I did not take very much time with this product at all. I maybe put 15 minutes into wrapping it, and I didn't even do that good of a job of wrapping, but that's the thing. The first time I tried this, I was kind of frustrated because I couldn't get it perfect. It doesn't need to be. Your hair just needs to be wrapped around it. And once I figured that out and kind of took that pressure off, I got a really neat result out of it. So I used larger chunks of hair and I wrapped it around 2 of the long strips of fabric. So this is the product in question. It's a headband that you can fit wherever you want it. I did it kind of low because I wanted my curls to be on the lower part. I didn't want all this up here. So this is it. It's got about 16 of these strips. And in all honesty, when I showed you my hair wrapped, I had missed 2 of them. They were just empty. So I wrapped it loosely and I wrapped it in large chunks and we got these really pretty waves. And I'm really pleased with it. I ran around the house with it in for about an hour, did some chores, did some other things. Now I'm ready to go. I took it out. I showed you what it looked like as it was coming out. And then here, run your fingers through it. Put it where you want it, spray it, and you're done. I really do like this product. I think it's very useful and it's a time saver. Check this out if you're interested in saving time, but getting some pretty curls. I would imagine if you sleep on this, if you put it up in a bonnet and sleep on it, you're gonna have some gorgeous curls. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.